Hello guys, ito yung bahay na wala ng tao. Patay na yung may-ari. Pag oras na wala na may-ari, ayun, kukunin na ng gobyerno guys. Ayan guys, moving ko guys. Dito ako guys, nag-moving. Here guys, for province. Dito na naman ako guys sa Kalamansi guys. Pero hindi Kalamansi guys. Yan guys. Yan, so very beautiful guys. Dito ako guys, nag-moving. Ayan, so very province guys, please. Dito ako sa highway guys. Moving today. Wala na magawa. Ayan guys. So, very province here. Guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Beautiful guys. Wow. Very nice.